Hey guys, what's up? This is a little video. This is Friday, May 2nd, I think, or 3rd. I don't know, let me go get my phone. I know it's May. It is, May 4th. So, got a little present for you guys. So look for another engine for my workhorse. And I ended up buying a motor for it. But it's not just a motor. Got the whole you know what. Yeah. Say hello to my new friend. Club Cadet International. And she is the 129 Hydro. Anybody knows how to decode or date code these colors? There's your serial number. There's your specs. Alright, what's really missing? Carburetor and the starter gen on that side, and got some parts here missing. There's something here missing. There's something there missing. There's something there missing. Something here is froze. Keys missing. Seats destroyed. Deck's is decent. There's serial number for the deck. Love these tires on this. Here's what the tires are. They're Goodyears. They are, let's see, 23 10.5 12s. Same bolt as my tractor, my wheel horse. Yeah, there you go. Original IH sticker. That's where it came from. Moore's Farm Store Incorporation, Columbus City, Indiana. Made it all the way to up to by Angola. And there's your other serial number. I think it's a 71. There you go. This tractor is huge. It's got a big rear end. From what I've heard, these got pinion, like your truck rear ends in them. Got disc brakes on both sides, guys. Don't know what this concoction is. This battery's supposed to go back here. It does have a regulator in it still. I think this is a 44-inch motor deck. But yeah. And there's that. Yeah, got a lot of work to do, guys. Yep, say hello to my new friend. And it's also missing the front grill. But it does have a clutch basket in it if the clutch is any good. And a bad tire on this side. There you go, there's a bad tire. But a decent tire on that side. Good thing is, the oil is not bad. Need to get a new O-ring put on that. Yep, another tractor project. Oh, and the fin is also broke on this impeller. Oh, there you go. Now you can see it. International Club Cadet. And it don't have the original amp meter on it no more. And there's something missing there and don't know what it goes to. And this is your forward and reverse lever. This is a hydro, by the way, guys. This is your PTO clutch engagement deck thing. Your brake pedal, which you don't act like it works. Yeah, fun little toy. Alright, just say hello to the new collection to my, yeah, the new collection to lawnmowers. I got a Splincy, I got a Workhorse, and now I got a Club Cadet. Is there any other tractor I'm missing? Oh, I know. Montgomery Ward's or a Gilson. Zippel's got one. Alright, catch you guys later.